Pinky, tell us a story.
Pinky's got a story she wants to share with you. Pinky Dinky Doo, never at a loss for words she pulls out of the blue. Pinky Dinky Doo, her little brother Tyler and Mr. Guinea Pig. Pinky Dinky's always thinking big. Yes, a Rooney Pasa Toon, zip, zam, zoom. Pinky Dinky Doo, in the great big city with all the Dinky Doos. Pinky makes up stories with fancy words too. She's always acting silly, and you'll often hear her say,
Now that's something you don't see every day.
little brother Tyler and Mr. Guinea Pig. Pinky Dinky's always thinking big. Yes, a Rooney Pasa Toonie, zip, zam, zoom.
Phew.
Pinky Dinky Doo.
Team Daisy's Windy Day. Hello guys, this is Charlie Ferrari. So last time on Team Children Adventures, our heroes had defeated Loki, and now we join Team Daisy in another great adventure.
Hi there, the Chibi Stars are almost done with their mission, and they have one more clue left to find out where is Poppy going.
Yes, and look what the weather is outside. It is windy in the city of New York, and yes, you had helped the kids defeat Loki, and I am glad you are back in the house.
Oh, well, we all know the weather is blue, because we know the forecast is...
Yeah, it is so breezy out there. I guess we had completed another adventure.
Well, I had to say we finished helping the dragons last time, and you just won the annual go-kart race.
I'm so proud of you, Sakura. You took home the trophy and put in the awards room.
Bark 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 bark.
Yes, she will be home soon. I know she is almost done with the episode and now all they had to do is to rescue Poppy and the mission will be over.
Yes, I know where is Poppy going. They figured out that she is going to the Ferris wheel just like in a carnival, and they have one more tool left to use. It's a ball. I bet they could use your ball for the last one.
Bark 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 bark.
Yep, I hope your ball will be perfect for the last tool. If she uses the last tool, they will be all done with their mission. Well, I heard Vaughn is also finishing the episode too, and I am so excited for the musical Clubhouse Friends.
I hope so too. Well, it is pretty breezy outside, so blue. What do you think we shall do on this windy day?
Oh, that will be a good idea, Blue. Maybe we need to play Blue's Clues to find out about this windy day.
We are gonna play Blue's Clues, cause that's a really great game, yeah!
So we had to remember, we need to find all of the paw prints and they will be on the clues. Time to blow this paw print away.
Alright, we already got our notebooks ready to play, so can you help us figure out what can we do on this windy day? Oh great! Let's do our best to find all 3 clues.
We are looking for Blue's Clues. We are looking for Blue's Clues. We are looking for Blue's Clues. Wonder where they are.
A clue, a clue.
Whoa, it is really windy outside, isn't it?
No, a clue.
Oh yes, there's the paw print, and it's blowing in the wind. I guess wind must be our first clue. Well, we better write this wind clue in our handy dandy
notebook. That's right, our notebooks. Let's see how wind looks like. Let's make a line and curve here, and add some more here. There it is, there's the wind.
So what do you think we shall do on this windy day that has to do with some wind?
Oh, that is pretty good thinking, but I think we should look for more clues until Magenta gets home from her adventure with the Chibi Stars.
Oh gosh, all of our favorite things are way high up in the trees.
Oh boy, I had never seen these head blue all the way up a tree. Leo, June, Annie and Quincy, since you defeated Loki.
Yeah, we got to get all of our stuff out of the trees, ladies. While the other are watching the rest of the sleepover episode, our stuff had landed in the trees.
Well, do you think you can help us get all the stuff out of the tree? Oh great, and by the way, there will be something new just for Akira and Ibuki.
Alright, let's get started. Did you see where's the baton? It must be landed by the leaves. Amazing, I knew the baton had landed in the leaves. Good looking.
Okay, now it's my turn. Did you see where is the black and white spotted hat? hat, 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 hat. Oh, thank you so much. I knew where is the hat. I will always have it with me at any time.
Yes, you are. Okay, now I get to go. Can you find my microphone? It should be up there by the leaves. Oh yeah, you found it. I will always record the sounds of the breeze with it as well.
Now all that remains is me. My instruments are up there. Do you see the instruments? Thank you so much. I'm glad you got all of the stuff out of the tree.
Akira and Ibuki, I know you have been finding clues. Guess what we made just for you too?
Tada. Behold, we had made your very own handy-dandy notebooks, and we had gotten your new crayons just for you.
Oh my goodness. Our wish had came true. We had finally got our new handy-dandy notebooks. I hope Magenta is gonna be so excited to see those notebooks when she gets home.
She will be excited. Once when she finally rescues Poppy, she will come back to tell you all about it when she gets home. By the way, little Einsteins, I'm glad you defeated his minion again and you completed another mission, and also you had saved the entire city.
Oh, thank you so much. The entire city is safe once again. I'm glad that our work here is done. I am so excited to see how the sleepover episodes should end.
Take care of your new notebooks, Akira and Ibuki. We are gonna see how this episode ends, and I hope Magenta will be home by the time you finish the game.
I hope so, June. We will take care of your notebooks while you watch and see how the episode ends.
Hi there, welcome to my room. Isn't it great to be here? I'm so glad we defeated Loki, so I guess it's time for me to do the Dipsy's hat dance. save the city, and I am so excited for the musical Clubhouse Friends show, and I am pretty sure the Chibi stars will be finished with their mission right now. Hat, 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 hat.